The HTC U11, now this one has been updated to Android 8.0 Oreo versus the Google Pixel 2 XL. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in Easter egg. There you go. There's nothing in the background, so let's get started with the messaging app. Very close. The camera. Ooh, very close. Calculator. Pretty much neck and neck on both phones. The clock. And maybe the U11 on that one. Play Store. And pretty much very similar. Go ahead and open Lift on both and leave it on that page. eBay on both. Give this to the Pixel 2 XL. Click on this item and leave it there. Amazon Shopping. I don't know, maybe the Pixel 2 XL on that one. Go ahead and open these Bluetooth headphones and leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Neck and neck. The speed test app, and give this to the U11. Go ahead and check the server on both, and we're on the same one. Speed test. Mario Run. Both are loading. And the U11 a little bit quicker. Go ahead and tap to begin on both and stop the game. Temple Run 2. Both are loading this game. And the U11 I think is a little bit ahead here. Let's find out right now. And the U11 a little bit quicker. Go ahead and play a little bit and Subway Surf. Loading on both. And the U11 a little bit quicker. Tap to play a little bit and stop the game. Angry Birds 2. The U11 out in front. But will the Pixel 2 XL catch up? It does not. U11 out in front here. Go ahead and stop it. Twitter on both phones. U11 on that one. Snapchat. U11 again. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything is in the background. Start with Twitter. Ready to tweet on both. Angry Birds 2. This game is ready to resume on both phones. Subway Surf. Ready to resume as well. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume. Mario Run. Right where we left the game off. Speed test. Still in RAM on the Pixel 2 XL and a little bit of a delay on the U11. Adobe Acrobat Reader in RAM on the U11 and the Pixel 2 XL had to refresh this app. Amazon Shopping. Right on those headphones. eBay. And both had a little bit of a delay, but it remembered where it was. Play Store. Right on that Lift app. The clock on both. Ready to go. Calculator is still in the RAM. The camera on both. There you go, give you an idea of the relaunching speeds. And the messaging app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel rocking the Pixel 2 XL or the regular Pixel 2? Nice and buttery smooth Android 8.1 Oreo and front-firing speakers to boot? Or are you loyal to HTC, rocking the HTC U11 or the U11 Plus? This phone is pretty good in its own right. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.